Good morning, students. Welcome back to online classes. I am Shashi Rohatgi from Jesus and Mary Academy. Today we start the remaining part of chapter 3, Cell, the basic structure of life. In previous class, you have studied about cell, basic structure of plant cells and animal cells. You know, here I remind you, except few differences, plant cells and animal cells are quite similar. Some basic structure such as cytoplasm, plasma membrane or cell membrane and nucleus are similar to both of the cell. Today we start cell organelles and cell inclusion. Cell organelles. Cell organelles are in living cells. Cell organelles are distributed in living cell. Cell organelles are distributed in whole cytoplasm. It is living and double bound cell organelles. Cell organelles have definite shape and size and perform definite function. But in cell inclusion, it is non-living and distributed in and present either cytoplasm or in vacuoles in plant cells. In plant cells, they present in the form of starch, protein and waste materials like gum, mucilage, etc. In animal cells, it is present in the form of fat droplets, pigments and granules. Today we start first cell organelles, mitochondria. Mitochondria is a look here, this figure. Mitochondria is a tiny particles having different shape, rod shape, round shape, oval shape also. It is distributed in this figure is animal cells and here it is mitochondria. It is distributed in whole cytoplasm. It is distributed uniformly the cytoplasm of plant cells or animal cells both. Mitochondria are covered by a double membrane, inner membrane and outer membrane. In inner membrane, a finger like this one, the finger like projection, this finger like projection is called cristae. In between cristae, a liquid is filled. This liquid is called matrix. Function of mitochondria. Cellular respiration takes place in mitochondria. The energy produced of respiration is stored in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So it is known as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. Second cell organelles is children's. All organelles, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, Golgi body, all are membrane bounded. If it is not membrane bounded, it is collapse. So all cell organelles are membrane bounded. Second, endoplasmic reticulum. Look here. This endoplasmic reticulum is tube-like channels. And tube-like channels distributed throughout the cytoplasm. At some places it is connect nuclear cell membrane to nucleus. Cell membrane, this is cell membrane and it is nucleus. It connects at some places it connects cell membrane or plasma membrane with nuclear membrane and present useful substance and transport useful substance to the cell. Repeat again. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is tube-like channel. This look here, this is tube-like channel and distributed throughout the cytoplasm. In endoplasmic reticulum, it is at some places it is connect cell membrane and nucleus and transport some useful substance within the cell. Function of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is channel between plasma membrane and nuclear membrane. This one, it is channel of this one. It is channel of nuclear membrane, this one, nuclear membrane and plasma membrane. It provides mechanical support to the cell. Third one is Golgi body. Third one is Golgi body. Golgi body, it is composed of sac-like structure arranged one over another. Look here, it is composed of sac-like structure arranged one over another. Sac-like structure are called, this one is called cisternae. And vesicles are this one. Vesicles are budded outgrowth of cisternae. This outgrowth is vesicles and this is cisternae. So now look here, this figure, this is the figure of Golgi body. It is composed of sac-like structure, थैली के समान structure arranged one over another. Sac-like structure are called cisternae and vesicles are this one, and vesicles are budded like structure, budded outgrowth called vesicles. Sorry, cisternae. नहीं. Budded like outgrowth is called vesicles. Function. It is secretory cells, organelles. They secrete protein, hormones, chemicals and enzymes. Lysosome. It is sac-like cell organelles mainly found in the animal cells and some specific plant cells. It is also called suicidal bag of the cell. Why it is called suicidal bag of the cell, lysosome? Because lysosome digests the worn out cell organelles, then die themselves. Repeat again. Lysosome digests worn out organelles and then cell organelles and then die themselves So they are called suicidal bag of the cells. Function: it protects the cell from harmful foreign bodies. Harmful foreign bodies means bacteria, by engulfing them. Second, centrosome. Centrosome only present in animal cells. It is not present in plant cells. It is found in animal cells. It is present near the nucleus. This is nucleus, this is centrosome. So centrosome are centrosome are present in animal cells and absent in plant cell. It is situated near the nucleus. This one is nucleus, it is centrosome. Function: it initiates the cell division in the cell. When cell divides, it helps in division. Centrosome. Plastids are not present in animal cells. It is only present in plant cells. Plastids are disc shaped. It is present in plant cells and not present in animal cells. Plastids are disc shaped living cell organelles. Living cell organelles only found in plant cells. They are bounded by double membrane. It is three types. Leucoplast, chromoplast and chloroplast. Leucoplast, it is colorless plastid. Found in root. It is colorful plastid. Colorful. It gives color to the flowers and fruits. And chloroplast, it is green in color, and present in leaf and some soft plants stem. Chloro, in the presence, it has chlorophyll. It is green pigment. In the presence of green pigment, it traps sunlight from the plants and do photosynthesis and perform photosynthesis. Chloroplast has two parts. First, granum. It has two parts, granum and stroma. Granum is pile of flat grain. Granum is pile of this part. This is granum. Granum is pile of flat green solid bodies this part is granum, and this is stroma, not stroma, sorry, correct. Stroma is a liquid part. This is granum and this part is matrix. Vacuoles are membrane bound living fluid filled space present in cytoplasm, in this part cytoplasm. In plant cells it is covered by a tonoplast. Tonoplast is a membrane that binds the vacuoles. In plant cells, vacuoles are covered by a membrane called tonoplast. Tonoplast is a membrane that binds the vacuoles. In plant cell vacuole is very large in size. When you see animal cell and plant cells, you recognize only vacuoles in plants. In plant cell, vacuoles is very large, but in animal cells it is present in a small size. Function: vacuoles stores excess of water, pigment and waste product. Vacuoles maintain the turgidity of cell and keep in shape. Turgidity means if vacuoles is present in the cell, it keeps cell turgid, tight. It stores dissolved substance such as sugar, minerals. Here your chapter is finished. I will give homework on Teno. Watch this video clip and do homework. Thank you. Bye.